Alright, dogs, Daddy's gotta go to work. I love you, Chuba. Mr. Brown. Sydney? Where's Sydney? There he is! Oh, careful now. Alright, bye, boys.
Still looking for the shooter. He was a known criminal.
Let's chase again.
2008 Outback 5-speed. 2.5i. What do we got? Interloper? I don't recognize your car. Well, my friends are always saying, Mike, you really need to get a work truck. And I'm like, what are you, nuts? A, I have no driveway, I have no garage. I have to parallel park every day on this street. So yeah, and I don't need two vehicles. Plus, this thing's fun in the snow. What is this dog up to? So this morning we have perfect conditions for, well, as much drifting as I like to do these days. It's super slick. Let's see if we can get the... Where's this guy going? Is he gonna... Come on, Mazzone, let's go. Here we go, a little goose, little tap the clutch. Come on, Mel. Catch. Oh, here we go. Oh. FedEx is backing up. Cancel that way. Maybe that's what Mazzone was talking about. Well, let's get a good one. Here we go. Throw it right into this car. Alright, enough shenanigans. Time to go to work.